Hi, I'm Jacqueline Pigdon from Maree Pigdon Sewing Centre, and today is the last day of our official launch sale for our new online kids sewing project, How to Sew an Apron. They get to learn that use their mathematical skills on how to measure and cut, make their own pattern for their apron, and then how to sew it up. It's a quick, easy, fantastic home sewing project. If you'd like to join us and benefit from our special launch price of just $25, please click the links below. Join us in sewing and promoting our last day of healthy eating in the sewing school with alignment of the International Eat Your Vegetables Day. So I hope you've enjoyed our series, and I hope you enjoy making and sewing your aprons with us here at Maree Pigdon Sewing Centre. I'm Jacqueline Pigdon, and until next time, I hope you have a fantastic day.